Hello everyone. Today our chapter name is Panchayati Raj. Chapter 5 Civics Panchayati Raj. As we have already discussed in previous chapter, level of the government, there are three level of the government: central level, state level and local level. The government which is at the national level, that is central government, government at the local state level, state government, and the government in the rural area and the local level, that is Panchayati Raj, and in urban area, municipal corporation, municipal council. So let's start our chapter. As you can see, the many people in this picture, they are in one assembly, that is Panchayat Assembly. Panchayati Raj, what is this? Panchayati Raj is a system of self-government in rural area. It aims at rural development by involving the rural community. It strengthens the foundations of Indian democracy. The central and the state government deal with administration of large area, whereas the rural self-government work toward development related to agriculture, irrigation, health, education, and rural development through local efforts. It attends to local problems such as drinking water supply, electricity, maintenance of road, and sanitation, much cooperate with each other and tackle their difficulties on their own instead of relying on the state or central government. So this is the assembly of, this is Gram Sabha assembly, which is a meeting where the people directly ask the question and want the answer from these representative. It is a special day. Why? Because everyone rushing to get to the kahan jaye? Gram Sabha. Do you know why? Because the Gram Sabha is holding its first meeting after the election of the new Gram Panchayat. What is a Panchayat? In our country, the system of Panchayati is very old. The word literally means a group of 5 people. From the ancient times, it was custom in village to elect a group of 5 elders, or you can say panch, means 5, meaning 5. They settle dispute and look after other problem which arose in the village. Their decision was binding on all. This system functioned well till the Mughal period. So the Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adults, mean all middle, those are 18 and above the 18, who live in the area covered by the panchayat of specific village. Every village having their own panchayat, so the all adults of that particular village. This could be only one village or few villages. In some state, as an example of the village meeting held for each village. Anyone who is 18 years, adult means who are 18 years, means adult or more, who has right to vote in the member is a member of Gram Sabha. So everyone, those are sitting here, they are 18 and above 18, and they have right to vote. Fine. Now let's have a look what is the agenda of the meeting. So this is the village, which village? The people of Hardas village. So Gram Sabha of Hardas village need to find out what their new panchayat leader have planned for the village. So that is why everyone are very curious what kind of planning they have, their punches have. So the Gram Sabha, what is this? Gram Sabha meeting begin with the panchayat president. Who is the panchayat president? The head of this panchayat known as panchayat president, who is also known as called the Sarpanch. The member of panchayat, the panch, presenting the plan on repairing the road that connects the village to the main highway. So first the panchayat introduce first planning on repairing the road of villages, and they also plan that this road connect the village to the main highway. Everyone write down here the first planning. Put one on repairing. Write down one over here. After this, they discussion move on which subject? On water and water shortage. So the second agenda of this meeting is water and water shortage. Now, every village panchayat is divided into what? Okay, we will talk later. First, we complete the agendas. The villager called Tija begins the meeting by saying, who is put this issue? So the water problem in Hardas has become very acute. So the Tija put this problem, water shortage problem. The hand pump water has gone well below the point up to which the ground has been drilled. So whatever the boring were there, so there were no water level. So they asked from their panchayat to think about it. We hardly get any water in the taps. Women have to go to the Suru river. Which river? Suru river, which is 3 kilometers away to get water, 3 kilometers far away from their village. So the women have to go for the water to move to Suru river and fetch water from there. And the distance, that is 3 kilometers. One of the member suggest, so they were discussing about water shortage. So the everyone are presenting their view. So the one member suggested that water pipeline system, piping water from the Suru and making an overhead tank in the village to increase the supply. That to build a pipeline system from Suru to village, and in village you build one tank where they through pipeline they collect the water in this tank. In this way they can solve the water shortage problem of Hardas village, sorry. But the other thing that this was very expensive to build the pipeline from 3 kilometers, the Suru river is 3 kilometers far away from the village. So it it requires lots of money. So this will be very expensive. It is better they feel that deepen the hand pump and clean the well for this season. Other one says it better hoga that we clean up the hand pumps. Tija say this is not enough. ये काफी नहीं होगा. We need to something more permanent as ground water level seem to be going down every year. We are using more water than is seeping into the ground. Another member, Anwar, then tells everyone that he has seen a way of conserving water. What suggestion Anwar discussed in the Gram Sabha? That he's seen conserving water and recharging, yani refilling water in the village of Maharashtra where he had once gone to visit his brother. It was called that refilling water, recharging water system known as Watershed Development Program. He had heard that the government gave money for this work, and he also heard in that phrase that for this build or set up this system, the government helped the village people. In his brother's village, people had planted trees, constructed check dams and tanks. Everyone thought this was an interesting idea, and the Gram Panchayat was asked to find out about it in details. Okay. Every village panchayat divided into ward, smaller area. Each ward elect a representative who is known as ward member, by means Panch. All the member of the Gram Sabha also elect a Sarpanch who is the Panchayat president. The ward Panch and the Sarpanch form the Gram Panchayat. So who are in the Gram Panchayat? Ward member, those are elected by the Gram Sabha, and the Sarpanch, we also they elected by the Gram Sabha. The Gram Panchayat is elected for how many years? For 5 years. Gram Panchayat has a secretary who is not elected by the Gram Sabha, but he is appointed by the government. He has a secretary who is also the secretary of the Gram Sabha. This is a person not elected but is appointed by the government. The secretary is responsible for calling the meeting of the Gram Sabha, and he note down each and everything, whatever is in the meeting, main points of meeting. Okay, he make the record. Gram Panchayat and keeping a record of the proceeding. So it is the responsibility of the secretary to make the meeting record of the Gram Sabha. Like if you have assembly, so one reporter is there who write down, who pen down all the point of the assembly. Same way, the secretary is the member who is appointed by the government, not elected by the Gram Sabha people. No, who is appointed by the government, and he note down each and every point of the assembly. Okay, and record. Now the the Panchayat Raj system work at 3 levels. First, the Gram Panchayat village level. Okay. Now then, the block samiti at block level and Jila Parishad at the district level. At the district level. Fine. Who come in? The next topic in the next agenda and the topic of the Gram Sabha is the finalization, the list of people of BPL list, means below poverty line. Those people in the village are very poor. And this list approved by the Gram Sabha. So we will continue this in the next class. Thank you everyone. I hope understood by all.